then won in the Nationals. It's pretty amazing that they could be disappointed at the end, you know. And well, no, they had such an awesome season, and you know they lost just by. You know, it was real, I don't remember the exact score, but it was right down to the wire. They lost to the Spartans, so definitely one of the teams to beat for sure. Yeah. This is the Rebels, Toronto Rebels. I think they're the only team that has ever had success with two quarterbacks, and that they had a really breakthrough season last year. They lost in the A Provincials to the Tailgaters, it was. No, Nationals, sorry, that was the Nationals. But they won the Provincials. They beat the Trojans. $26 plus 10, I guess. I don't even care. I'm too lazy to care. Oh, there he is. It's the Wooster.
That's just too fucking easy.
It's Tommy Woo. It makes it look easy.
Nice catch.
Is that Foster? Yeah, nice catch. He's money. Matt's Sundin. Ooh. Off the noodle. There we get her. There we are. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Up here. Does he see an ice cream truck or something? Hello. Now he's got the look. He's got the look.
I think that's a DB or a receiver's look.
I don't know. It looks like I get that camera out of my face look. Now where's that ice cream truck? Is this third?
Wow, that's risky business.
That was third, yeah. Good turnover.
Considering the rusher went corner right, corner left.
I'm glad it's not raining.
New intro.
What'd you look?
Today was supposed to be what? 14 and 17.
Yeah.
God. Usually charge 650, but take a look at it and see if we're willing to be flexible. And we do pretty expensive background checks.
Oh, nice, eh? Oh, sweet!
Did you get all that?
Yeah, yeah. Nice run. I can do it, man. I'm cheap, easy.
He looks like a guy that came to a practice in Ottawa.
No, he did. He was playing in Ottawa for a little while. He played with my dad for a bit. Oh. How are you, Bear? Be good.
So was that a touchdown? Is this the extra point?
Yeah. What happened? You dropped that?
You've missed every extra point, eh?
They didn't call.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I had it.
What's going on?
That back to 2007.
Good job, Mark.
Purple power, folks.
It's going to be a very long road.
We haven't got the ball a lot though, huh? Sit down! Oh, you're over. We did.
I'm gonna record everything just in case.
Oh, come on, boy!
That's it, champ.
Oh, yeah, I like it! Bert! Yeah! Chris!
Great call, Walker.
No, I just can't see shit. It's a problem. Yeah, they're going for the convert. They just scored. Yeah, Dolphins scored and got their convert. And I missed it. I filmed a fucking... Sometimes I wish there were two of me.